This is your role to cybersecurity. You fit dey use computer every day, make you no know how the computer dey work. But no panic, today I go show you the brain behind every computer. You see all those CPU, storage, RAM, na big grammar. So today I go break am down so that it go fit help you in your cybersecurity journey. Now, what is computer? Now, computer is electronic device that accept data and process data into meaningful information. Abi? Now, you wan play music, you press play. As you press play, computer collect your data. As e collect your data, e process am. When e process am, e come what? E come give you the music. Abi? Na so computer dey work. So computer na device wey be say e go accept data, e go process the data, come give you meaningful information. Na that time you go come dey hear the gbedu, dey dance. You sef you know small. You yourself you be computer, but you no know. Make I tell you. You see this your ear and this your eyes na input device. Now when you use your ear to hear something or your eyes to see something, then where you go take am go? You go take am to your what? To your brain. Your brain na im be the processor. Now after the processor, then wetin go come happen? You go come react, abi? So your hand and your mouth na im be the what? Be the output. So na so computer just be. You see say e simple. Now you no get am. Now make I talk about the components of the computer. The first one na im we dey call CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. You see this one na im we dey call the brain of the computer. E just be like your own brain too. You see everything wey computer dey do, whether you dey type o, whether you dey chat somebody or you dey snap or you dey video, anything wey you dey do with that computer at that moment, na CPU dey run am. If you go on 10 application, your CPU go dey sweat like mechanic wey dey under hot sun. So na CPU dey do all those work wey you dey use your phone or your laptop dey do. Now wetin come dey inside CPU? Now there are three things inside CPU wey you and I must know. The first one na im we dey call the control unit. You see, control unit na im dey share work for other part of the CPU. So anytime something enter computer, na control unit go share the work. Say, oh yeah, you take this, you take this. Na control unit dey do that work. Now the second one na arithmetic logic unit. We dey call am ALU. Now this ALU na im dey perform different calculation. If you give computer 2 plus 2, e go give you the answer sharp sharp. If you give am 1 million times 1 million, it will give you the answer sharp sharp. Now the ALU they perform that task. Now the third part of CPU, now we dey call register. You see, register na just small notepad when they store small data for CPU. So if CPU won't forget something, now this register go in time say oga no forget. So na so CPU dey be. Make I no burst your brain, because this thing don dey too long. Abi? No worry, we will continue in the next video. Hopefully later.